Trying to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller to an iPhone, iPad, or Mac can feel confusing, especially when everything seems like it should work the same as other Bluetooth devices. You might turn on Bluetooth, put the controller in pairing mode, and still not see it appear, or it connects but doesn't function properly in games. This usually comes down to compatibility support, software versions, or how the controller communicates with Apple devices. Not all controllers are immediately supported across platforms, and sometimes even a small setting or update can make the difference. The tricky part is that there isn't always a clear error message, so it feels like nothing is happening. Once you understand the common reasons behind this issue, it becomes much easier to troubleshoot and figure out what's actually blocking the connection. Try these. Step 1. Put your Pro controller into pairing mode. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Step 3. Check if the controller appears in the Bluetooth device list. Step 4. Make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS, iPadOS, or macOS version. Step 5. Restart both the controller and your Apple device. Step 6. If it still won't connect, note that full compatibility may not be supported yet.